Okay, this is Tim Willis with Face Magic Radio and Voice Magic Newsprint. This is ClickFunnels Designs. I'm just going to do this quick little thing here, and it's got to do with what I call a row sandwich. And I just made that name up. Anyway, it is a little sort of technique to find several rows, but make them look all like one row, even though you'll have different amounts of things for each line. As you have here, we have two at the top, one in the middle, and two on the bottom. What I'm doing is I'm replicating something in ClickFunnels Classic and converting it over to 2.0. And ClickFunnels 2.0, we do have the flex container, and we probably could use a flex container for some of this stuff. I decided to go ahead and replicate it the old school way, and it's actually pretty easy once you wrap your head around it. We have a 2-column row here. We have 1-column row here, and we have a 3-column row here. This is all in the same section with this headline area here. So we have another row up here that's separate. And what we did, we create a background color, and we applied that color to all 3 rows. All 3 rows are the same color. And all 3 rows are also at 0 top margin and the default padding, which was this one here, the 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. Now the one exception to that is that at the bottom, to get it to look kind of even, I did change the bottom padding on this 3-column row to 40. So we'd have an even look from the top to the bottom. What I also did was on the top row and the bottom row, I applied a curve, and so we applied a curve at the top, 12 pixels on the top left and top right, and we applied a curve on the bottom row, 12 pixels on the bottom left and the bottom right, and then we left it at 0. Middle part, let's go ahead and make sure we got that all zeroed out. And we got the corner turned off, so it shouldn't be doing anything there. Then these are 2 logos that I actually created in ClickFunnels. Couldn't get the original images off the original funnel that was made in ClickFunnels, so I just replicated them. But you could put anything in here. Then we have some text, a 3-column row with an input panel for a name, an input for a name, now, then a button here, which right now is not set to go anywhere on submit form. The original actually didn't have it hooked up to anything either, but obviously we get up either to a pop-up or we would have it submit the form and collect email. Create a workflow for it. So that is really all we got going on there, but I have seen, especially on older funnels that were created in ClickFunnels Classic, this method employed a lot. As I said, you could probably do a lot of the same things with the flex container element in ClickFunnels. But the flex container can have its own interesting little, I don't want to call them problem, but it sometimes does interesting things. So if you're having trouble with flex container and you just want an effect like this, you can always just use multiple rows, make sure they're joined to each other, and make sure the background is all the same color, and probably put a little curve on the top and the bottom. That is the quick video on row sandwich, which currently I invented because I never heard anybody call one of these things before. And that will be the video for now. My name is Tim Willis. I am a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, ClickDesigns, other useful tools for funnel hackers and funnel hacking. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye.